Greetings. I want to show you a few things about how to quickly access Google Classroom and be a little bit more efficient with your time and stay organized. So number one thing I like to do is I put in my bookmarks, I put Google Classroom, especially up here in the bookmark tab bar, so that everything loads very quickly. I've noticed a lot of students who just type the word in Classroom and then they do a search and then they click on it, and that takes a lot more time. So the way that you do that is just up here. You can click, drag, and pull that into the menu bar right there, and notice that it shows up, and I don't need a separate one there, so I'll delete that. Quick access. Number two, over here in the triple line is a menu, and when you click on this, you actually see that your calendar shows up. And anytime a teacher adds an assignment with a due date, it will show up on the calendar. So I can go back in time here and see all the assignments that happened last week or what's happening this week. I can click on any assignment here and get more information. I can see my work over here and if it's been turned in or not. By the way, please mark everything as done, even if you have nothing to attach. That's very good to help you stay organized. Which actually brings me to the next point. A third thing is the to-do list here shows you the things that are on the list that you have to do. And according to this, in all my classes, I have a lot of stuff done or not completed and one thing done. So maybe I should start going in and clicking on these and actually turning stuff in, mark as done. And then even if I didn't have attached work there, and it would show up very nicely over in my to-do list here. It shows up as done now, as we see that. Now I want to show you another thing on how this works in your iOS device. So here's my phone, and I just opened it up. Open up Google Classroom, and up on the top there, notice that it's still the triple line, just like over here. And if you tap on that, then you can go to Calendar as well. And the view is not as attractive as this view here. Clearly, I think it's more attractive on the desktop, but we still see it. And stuff's still there, and I can still log in and see things there. Notice one more thing is the to-do list is also there, and it shows me the extensive amount of to-do list stuff that I have to do. But the stuff that's done is also there, and the stuff that's not done is over here. So I hope that helps be a little bit more efficient in using Google Classroom. Please do teachers a favor and submit when you're done, or mark it as done, so that it's a little bit so that everybody knows we're on the same page. Hope that helped, and be well.